Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the phone. Enable developer options and mock locations so apps can accept a spoofed signal. Once done, install a reputable GPS Emulator app from the Play Store. Make sure you grant location permissions and overlay permissions when prompted. These are required for the emulator to inject coordinates. You should also turn off battery optimizations for the emulator so it runs reliably in the background. Now open the emulator app and choose a simple test coordinate to begin. You now configure the emulator. Pick a precise coordinate or import a GPX/KML route if you need movement. Once selected, set the update interval and movement speed. Lower interval means smoother tracking but higher battery use. Choose accuracy settings to mimic GPS noise. High accuracy prevents app detection. Next, select whether to mock location system-wide or only for a specific app in developer options. Finally, start the route and monitor the phone's location icon to confirm the spoof is active. To finish, verify the phone reports the mocked position by opening Google Maps or a location checker and confirming the PIN. Once satisfied, keep the emulator running in foreground or enabled in background, exempt from battery saver. If an app detects spoofing, make sure you selected app-level mock target or reduce accuracy to mimic real jitter. You can also clear the emulator's permissions and reassign them. If location remains stuck, reboot the phone and re-enable mock location to reset the GPS stack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.